If you're watching this because you got an answer of 1.82 and you're just checking to see that you got the right answer, really well done, because there's not many people get this right first time. So we've got a ball that rebounds off the side cushion here and comes back there to the left there. The mass of the ball, you were told, is 170 grams. So we're going to have a mass of, and I'm going to change that straight to kilograms. So 0.17 kilograms there, and the speed is 0.47 meters per second, and that's going to the right, so that's its velocity. It rebounds in a time of 82 milliseconds. So again, first thing I'm going to do here is change that time to seconds, so 0.82 seconds, and then it rebounds in the opposite direction. Still got a mass of 0.17 kilograms, that's not going to change, but the velocity is now 0.41 meters per second to the left, which is a negative velocity, which we'll come back to in a moment. So you start off with your equation, which is just that impulse is final minus initial. So just like with acceleration, it's always the final minus initial. Put the numbers in, so we've got 0.17 times the 0.41, because that's the final, minus, now the thing is here, this is going in that direction, so that minus that 0.41 meters per second is actually a negative velocity, so that's actually a negative quantity there. So that's minus 0.17 times 0.41, and then take away the initial, which was 0.17 times 0.47, and that's okay because that is a positive velocity. That's going in the positive direction, this is coming in the negative direction. So you've actually got minus 0.17 times 0.41, which is minus 0.0697 minus 0.0799, and when you take both of those away, you end up with a number of minus 0.1496, and that's what force times time is equal to. Divide both sides by the time of contact, then we get the average force is minus 0.1496 divided by the 0.082, which gives a final number of minus 1.82 newtons. And that minus means that the force on the cushion on the ball is in that direction. It's pushing it to the left. Okay, so impulse momentum, always consider that it's the final minus initial, and you've got to include negative if things are traveling in the negative direction.